Hi YouTube, this is Commaster918 and this is another video on my new Zippo lighter. It is a Zippo brush chrome lighter, Z200, and it's new. It cost, I think it was 13 something pounds, and yeah, it's there. Just take it out and I'll show you. It's quite small. That's my Xbox, sorry. It's quite small, you know, because I did have a big one, the orange one, but I've lost it now. So as you can see there, I've just recently topped it up, but I will do another video in a minute to show you how to top it up. So yeah, this is my new Zippo lighter. Thank you for watching, and like and subscribe or whatever. Cheers, bye.